Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and yes, we are going to learn English. Oh, weekend aa gaya, right? We had a good online session this Thursday and I really loved the format of the postcards that you have sent me. क्या करेंगे? Tuesday को we had started the chapter of travel stories in which we had read about a family who goes for holidays. Obviously जब हम holidays में जाते हैं तो we are excited to see so many things. So the children are writing email to their father. Today I'll be explaining you the lesson part wise, right? So are you ready? Okay, let's go for it. So this probably यही book जो हम साल भर से देखते आ रहे हैं. We are on the last chapter. In the previous video, that is on Tuesday, I explained you, or rather we started chapter number 10 and you had some homework. Hope you have done that. Along with that, we had done a reading of the chapter. Reading, my dear children, is very, very important as it would give you a preview about what the chapter is telling about. Right? Chaliye, let us start today's session with the explanation. Today I'll be explaining you the chapter completely. Chaliye. So let us open the book. So we have already started the chapter. Last week थोड़ा सा explain भी किया था. Let us start the reading and the explanation. I have got great news, exclaimed Mrs. Singh while reading an email. Aunt Indira has invited all of us to New Zealand during the summer vacation. She announces that Aunt Indira ने सबको New Zealand बुलाया है. We are all invited to go to New Zealand. That's great, shouted Ria and Sumit in excitement. Now, who are Ria and Sumit? They are Mrs. Singh's son and daughter, right? Well, I have a seminar in Chennai. I won't be able to join you guys, said Mr. Singh. Obviously, father is having some work, so he tells that I won't be coming with you, but आप लोग तीनों जा सकते हो. I'm going to send an email to Aunt Indira, announced Ria. On hearing that, Ria replies that मैं इंदिरा आंटी को जवाब दे दूँगी, right? Generally we give a call or we write letter. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि when I was young we used to write letters. So she writes an email to Aunt Indira. उनकी जो आंटी है जो न्यूजीलैंड में रहती है उनको Ria is writing the letter. Now come to that email. Indira at zxymail.com. I won't be explaining because I know you already know what is an email, right? और email ID. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि आप FCC यूज़ करने के लिए you all have your IDs. Either your parents have made their IDs और आप या तो आप अपने parents की ID यूज़ करते हो. So this is an email ID Indira at zxymail.com. Subject is vacation. Hello everyone. Sumit and I are really excited about the trip to New Zealand. I'm sure it will be a blast. Obviously हम अपने मासी के घर जाते हैं या मामा के घर जाते हैं. We enjoy. We have a good time. We have several questions. Which language do people speak there? What kind of food they have there? Is the weather hot here just like here? Right? She adds that हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारे questions हैं. When you go to a new place ना बच्चे, तब हमें हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सवाल लगता है कि ये लोग खाना कैसा खा रहे होंगे, ये लोग बोलते कैसे होंगे, what kind of things they are. अगर आप शिंचैन देखते हो, I don't like that cartoon at all, but हमारे घर पे चलता है, so you have to watch it. So शिंचैन में अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो because they are Japanese, तो वो लोग देखना अपने डाइनिंग टेबल से उनका डाइनिंग टेबल इज़ क्वाइट डिफरेंट. दे हैव अ वेरी छोटा सा टेबल, मतलब हाइट में छोटा टेबल रहता है एंड दे ईट देयर फूड पैर उल्टे करके, जब हम देखना, आप देखना सिंग चैन में, यू विल बी एबल टू सी, बिकॉज दिस इज हाउ दे ईट फूड इन जापान. So every place has its own different peculiarities, and these children were excited to see कि वहाँ पे लोग कैसी भाषा बोलते हैं, how are they going, how are they living, weather कैसा है वहाँ का, at all. We can hardly wait to meet Tim and Ravi. Mom told us that Tim has already made a long list of things we'll do together and places that they want to show us. Obviously जब आप अपने कज़िन के घर जाते हैं तो you plan कि हम आज ये करेंगे, हम आज वो करेंगे, हम आज ये करेंगे, right? So they had also made a list, and I have even made a list too. I have a feeling that this would be the best holidays ever. My friend Miriam will also be going on a trip to Thailand, right? उनकी friend रिया की जो friend है, where is she going? She is going to Thailand. I hope you already might have heard about the name Thailand and Bangkok. We have decided to write to each other every day. Now what they have decided that they will write each other, माने एक दूसरे को रोज email भेजेंगे. We'll also share photographs with each other on email. Got to go now. We are off to get our passports ready. See you soon. Love, Riya. Now as you know that अगर आप इंडिया में ही कहीं जा रहे हो, so you don't need a passport or visas or anything, but if you are going out of the country, we need our passports and visas. So she adds that we have to update our visas, or we need to update our passports, clear करना पड़ेगा, and she'll be seeing soon, right? This is the first email. Let us move to the second part. Understood this much? Now shortly the vacations arrived. Obviously जिसकी राह देख रहे थे वो बहुत जल्दी आ गया. The Singh family landed at the Auckland airport. It's the name of the airport. Children, let me know names of 2 airports that you know, whether in Ahmedabad, whether in Bombay, कोई भी 2 airports के नाम मुझे please WhatsApp करिएगा. This would be your extra work for today. So Auckland airport is the name of the airport, the city's name where they have landed. Uncle John, Aunt Indira, Tim and Ravi had been waiting at the airport to receive them. After his first day in New Zealand, Sumit wrote emails to his father and his friend Ibrahim, right? Uncle John is the uncle, और उनके बच्चों के साथ एक दिन spend करने के बाद he is writing again an email. So he writes an email first to his father, Arun at abcmail.com. Subject second day in New Zealand. Now Arun would be his father's name, so हमें इससे पता चल जाता है कि Arun Singh is the name of the father. Now, dear dad, New Zealand is a real fun place. In addition, our cousins have shown us so much of the country already. According to the list they have just begun. I don't know how we will get to the end of that list. Tim says he has left the best for the last, right? He is writing to his father that cousins के साथ यहाँ पे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, and we are enjoying, we are seeing much of the country. But then Tim, जो उसका cousin है, वो बोल रहा है कि जो best part है, जो last में दिखाना है, that is the best part. So I don't know कि whether he would be able to complete the whole. ये होता है ना बच्चे के, हम जब एक कहीं जगह पे जाते हैं तो हमको लगता है ये देख ले, वो देख ले, जल्दी ये कर ले, जल्दी वो कर ले. So he is also very excited, right? The best thing about this country is now he is telling the difference between अपनी country और वो country. हमें क्या difference दिखता है, right? The best thing about this country is that there are no big crowds here, unlike in our country. हमारे country जैसे यहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ भाड़ नहीं है. It is so much of spacious, right? यहाँ पे इंडिया में तो क्या है that we are overpopulated. ज़मीन कम है and population बहुत ज़्यादा है. Whereas this foreign country, New Zealand, is a very small place, but it's very good place to see. So there the population is much lesser than what we have in India. So the roads are very vacant. There is so much of space to walk freely. In addition, the roads in the countryside, as I explained you, countryside माने जो ग्रामीण विभाग होता है, जहाँ पे गांव होते हैं, There is countrysides are very beautiful. I'm sure you would love to go on long drives here. Uncle John took us to a hangi restaurant yesterday. Now, what is hangi? Hangi is a traditional cooking method in which they dig a pit. ज़मीन के अंदर एक गड्ढा करते हैं and use it like an oven. ज़मीन के अंदर का जो portion, you might have studied in science and SS that earth has core and mantle and inside it. So उस part के ऊपर खड्डा करते so that the heat of the core, you know, अंदर की जो मेंटल की हीट है उस हीट से ये खाना बनता है. What do? They dig a pit. Dig माने खोदना. Dig a pit in the earth and use it like an oven. They heat some stones in a fire in a pit and put baskets on the top of the stones, right? With this earth की गर्मी के साथ, क्योंकि खाना उनको जल्दी बनाना है, so they, what do? The hotel people, they have some stones in a fire in a pit and गरम करके जो पत्थर होते हैं वो नीचे रखते हैं, उसके ऊपर फिर they put the vessels and this food is cooked inside the earth, ज़मीन के अंदर. You can google out hangi way or hangi restaurant, so you will find out how they make. Basically ज़मीन के अंदर खड्डा करके उसमें गरम पत्थर रखते हैं, then they cook the food after closing the. They heat some stones in the fire in a pit and put baskets of food on the top of the stones. Now guess what? They cover it all up with earth again. माने वो गड्ढा वापस ज़मीन का बंद कर देते हैं, मिट्टी से बंद कर देते हैं. The food is ready after few hours. We will have a hangi party at home when we return, right? It's a new word, hangi. It's a kind of a method of cooking. कभी कभी हम कुकर में प्रेशर कुकर करते हैं, so that is pressure cooking. Sometimes we are oven में bake करते हैं, then that is known as baking. So this is also a type of cooking, that is hangi. Clear? And he tells that we will be doing the same hangi party when we return home, right? चलिए move to the next email that he has written to the one of his friend, that is to Ibrahim. Now he is writing an email to his friend Ibrahim at vertimail.com. Subject: New Zealand. Hey Ibrahim, New Zealand is so fun. We had a hangi lunch yesterday. I'm sure you don't know what hangi is. So Google it right now, right? As I told you कि अब तो आप Google कर सकते हो. You are very tech savvy. So you know Google करके आप देख लो. Being the foodie you are. Foodie means somebody who is obsessed with food. You know, somebody who eats who loves to eat food. मेरे जैसा कोई हो कि जिसको खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So besides being of the foodie you are, I'm sure you won't regret it. We are going to Waikato tomorrow. Now Waikato, again, it's a name of a place. Guess what's there? Hobbiton, the place where they shot our favorite movie. I'll make sure we take lots of photographs for you. I have so much to talk to you about, but I need to sleep early for tomorrow's trip. माने there is a place Hobbiton जहाँ पे एक movie shot हुई थी. Now children, जैसे मैंने आपको homework दिया था that you need to tell me that 2 airports name that we have in India, same way you need to send to me कि Hobbiton में कौन सा मूवी शॉट हुआ था. इट्स अ वेरी फेमस मूवी. आई हैव सीन इट. आई एम श्योर दैट मोस्ट ऑफ यू आपने भी देखी हुई होगी, बट यू नीड टू शेयर इट टू मी. सो 2 IBL questions, that is, first one is name of the airports that we have in India and name of the movie which was shot in Hobbiton, right? Chaliye, now move to the next page. That is the last 2 emails that they have sent, which is written by Ria. Chaliye, let us see that. Ria also wanted to share her experience with her friend in Thailand. शी रॉट टू हर द नेक्स्ट डे, राइट, दूसरे दिन जब इसने लिख लिया था सुमित ने, उसके दूसरे दिन शी इज़ राइटिंग टू हर फ्रेंड, टू मरियम at 123mail.com, subject greetings from New Zealand. Hi Miriam, I'm sorry I couldn't write earlier. Sumit hogged the computer all evening. I told you in the last video. Hogged, the meaning is excessive using of something, right? You are hogging the mobile whole day. So Sumit hogged the computer all evening yesterday. There is so much to do, and see here that I think we will return next year, right? यहाँ पे देखने जैसा, एक्सप्लोर करने जैसा इतना कुछ है that मैं मे बी पॉसिबली नेक्स्ट ईयर ही आऊँगी. We went on a tour to Hobbiton today. It's an old movie set which has small houses with round doors. The place is straight out of a fairy tale. As I told you that it is a place where a famous movie was shot. तो आप मुझे उसको गूगल करके you'll give me the answer. So this place had houses which had round doors, right? You can see the pictures also. It's there in the next page. You can see that Hobbiton का जो picture है, it's there on the next page. However, that wasn't the best part of today's trip. We went to see a Waka Amma race after that. Waka Amma race is a kind of a race where एक लंबी सी बोट, अगर आपने देखा हो साउथ इंडिया साइड में भी ऐसा इवेंट होता है, वेयर लॉन्ग बोट्स आर बीन डेकोरेटेड एंड about 80 men pedaled it together. Amazing. 80 men, 80 लोग, 80 people together उसको pedaling कर रहे हैं. Amazing, isn't it? Imagine 80 men pedaling in a sync, SYNK, sync with all their might, trying to beat the other's boat. It's a race जहाँ पे एक दूसरे के साथ रेसिंग करके पेडलिंग करके हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. It all makes for quite an electrifying atmosphere. Electrifying is very exciting. You feel excited, We are going to see Mount Cook tomorrow. Wish you a good time in Thailand. Remember, we had a deal, so do write back tomorrow. Lots of love, Ria. Now, as the way Ria is in New Zealand, her friend Mariam is in Thailand, and she's writing an email back to her friend Ria. Let us see the last email of this chapter. This is just like a chat. ये सारा explore किया है उन्होंने न्यूजीलैंड, and they are writing their experience, what they have seen or what they have visualized in that new place, right? चलिए, let us come to the last email that Ria has. So this is the last part or the last email that Ria's friend is writing. She says, "Dear Ria, it's good to hear from you. I'm glad that you're having fun in New Zealand. My holidays are also going quite well. The street food here is incredible." Incredible means very good, very, very nice. Incredible, right? मैं बहुत बार use करती हूँ ये word. So this is incredible. बहुत मज़ा आया. I think you guys have seen the movie, The Incredibles, right? So Incredible is very, very good. And the street food माने वो खाना जो hotels में नहीं मिलता, it is on the ठेले पे मिलता है, जो बेसिकली उसका वहाँ का प्रांतीय खाना होता है, वहाँ उस एरिया का फेमस खाना होता है वो. जैसे अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो चिक्की है, दाबेली है. सो दीज आर ऑल आर स्ट्रीट फूड्स, राइट? So the street food at Thailand is also quite well. There is so much to choose from. There's a lots of sightseeing to do here, although it is crowded here. You might have seen many pictures. Some of you might have visited Thailand also, because अभी तो इंडिया से, हमारे यहाँ से बहुत सारे लोग थाईलैंड या पटाया में वेकेशंस करने जाते हैं. So it is a crowded place, a bit crowded place from New Zealand. I went to see the temple of Emerald Buddha today. Its Thai name is quite a tongue twister. It's a massive Buddhist temple. You can see the picture in the side that it's a Buddhist picture. Buddhist माने जो गौतम बुद्ध हैं उनके जो followers हैं they follow Buddhism, right? So Thailand is a place where Buddhism is been followed very strictly. So she went to see a temple that is Emerald Buddha's temple. Clear? And she adds that उनका जो Thai name hai, that is very difficult. It is like a tongue twister. So this is the third IBL question for today, that you need to give me the Thai name of Emerald Buddha temple. I repeat all the three questions again. First, you need to find me two names of India, the airports that India is having. Second, you need to find me the name of the movie which was shot in Hobbiton. And third, you need to give me the Thai name of Emerald Buddha temple that Mariam had visited. It's nothing like I have seen. The temple is decorated with elegant doors and windows. Elegant means beautiful. Elegant doors and windows. However, the things I liked the most were the frescoes. I told you frescoes are pictures painted on the plaster of a wall. जो दीवार है, दीवार के ऊपर जो pictures paint किए जाते हैं, they are known as frescoes. So, I like the most where the frescoes on the wall, they portray the various stages of Buddha's life. I have attached some beautiful photographs for you too. Enjoy. Love from Miriam. Right? So this is end of the chapter. What we have learned, that they visited a new place called New Zealand. There is a family of Mr. Singh with two children, that is Ria and Sumit, and they went to their aunt Indira who is living in New York. From there, they are writing emails to their father, to their friends. Ria is writing to her friend named Mariam. Sumit is writing to his friend named Ibrahim. Right? Now, along with Ria, Mariam has also on a vacation and she went to Thailand. So she replies back कि Thailand में कौन-कौन सी जगह है. Right? Now, today's homework would be, you need to read the chapter, underline the new words. You have to write that new words along with the word meanings in your notebook. I repeat the homework again. You have to read the chapter, underline the new words. जो भी words आपको pronunciation नहीं आ रहा है, if you don't know the pronunciation, you can anytime give me a call. I'll be happy to help you. But दिशा मैम ने read किया है तो आप वो ये वीडियो भी एक बार वापस scroll करके देख सकते हैं. So you would be reading the chapter, underlining the new words, and you will write new words and the word meanings. Word meanings, page number 149. Page, there are 3-4 word meanings and 3-4 word meanings on page number 150. So you need to do all these things today for the homework. And from the next week, we will start with this textual exercise of the last chapter for our session 2020-21. Right? Chaliye, have a good weekend till we meet next. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Take care and don't forget to do your homework.